Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2000 Toyota Avalon XLS. This is the fully loaded model. Comes powered with the 3.0 V6. It also has nice clean and clear headlights as well as fog lights. Newer battery, timing belt changed. Very, very well kept vehicle. Under 100,000 miles. All the maintenance seems to be up to date. We can see suspension updates, and so the two previous owners of this car definitely took care of it over the years. Comes with four-wheel disc brakes. All the paint is in really good condition. Just a few soft spots on the rear bumper, but as you can tell on the interior, very, very nice and clean. Comes with the original floor mats, smoke and pet-free interior, original owner's manual. Has a tape player for running auxiliary connectivity, ice cold dual climate controls, wood grain trim, automatic transmission, charging port and spacious center console, keyless entry. Up top we get an auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglass storage, illuminated vanities, home link. I mean, this vehicle has quite a number of upgrades for the year 2000. I mean, most new vehicles today have all of these same types of features still, even in today's market. So back here we get an actual plug port and rear AC control, or rear AC, and then get a pop-out center console armrest with dual cup holders. I mean, everything inside this car is like brand new. Very, very nice, clean car. I mean, I haven't seen a 2000 Avalon this clean in quite some time. Very spacious trunk area. Spare tires underneath. Dual trunk mats. You can see the XLS designation there. Very, very clean, beautiful vehicle. The rear seat backing's a little loose. But for a 23-year-old car to just have that as the interior flaw is pretty good. So it comes with some pocket storage on both front sides, and then we get our power windows, locks, mirrors are located on the dash, our interior illumination, and our trunk switch. Leather wrapped steering wheel in perfect condition. I mean, not even a flaw at all on the steering wheel. It's pretty incredible. And then it comes with cruise control. And then a nice display. And the funny thing is with this clock or date, it only goes up to 2018, so you can't set it past 2018. So the VSC and VSC off light are in conjunction with the check engine light. We changed both front O2 sensors. It was just 4 O2 sensors, but they seem to keep coming back. Vehicle runs great, no problem. So when you come to see it, that will be on, but we've exhausted our resources on fixing it. There's nothing left to do, so we're just gonna leave it as is. But I can guarantee you the vehicle drives great. It might be annoying to see the lights, but hey, we tried everything we could. But sunroof works, stereo works, and we know that it should, yeah. And AC's ice cold, auto dimming rear view mirror, like I said, dual map lighting, and everything is properly working. It even comes with the original Toyota windshield. So all the original glass is in it. It has a JBL sound system. And like I said, everything's working, rides and drives like you're riding on a cloud. So if you're looking for a really, really nice, well-kept, older, low-mileage vehicle that won't break the bank, look no further than this beautiful 2000 Toyota Avalon XLS. You can find exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.